I said, we will try our best for you to save money, but not affect the quality of the job. Yeah.
So where do mechanical and auto body worlds collide the most today?
That's a good question, Mike. I think like so when we're taking apart cars, especially front ends, right? We got to take apart radiators. We got to take apart condensers.
Mm-hmm.
So that's where they kind of join,
Right.
right? The body man's got to remove the freon, the AC freon.
Right.
You got
He needs a license for that.
Yeah,
Right.
he needs a
So
license.
I mean,
Yeah. So he's got to get from our mechanic shop. He's got to pull over the
Refrigerant machine.
refrigerant
Yep.
machine, pull
Yep.
it out, right, before he can take apart that rad
Right.
or rad support. And same with the rad. You got to drain the coolant. So I think that's where they come. Sometimes we gotta remove tires as well, like rims and tires.
Because I'm sure,
spot.
I mean, there's a reason that I haven't gotten into auto body. I'll be honest with you, because
yeah.
I think it's a bigger pain than general
Yeah,
repair.
you can
Like,
see my gray hair.
well, at least you have hair, kid. Like, I mean, when I started, I had your hair, but I think of all of these vehicles that have got rear heat, rear air conditioning, all these SUVs and all these vans, and you mentioned like doing these AC repairs and stuff like that. If we've got kinked lines or broken lines, you've got to replace that.
Yeah.
But then you got to make sure that the AC is working when the vehicle leaves. Because if not, you're going to be in trouble.
Yeah, you're right. Exactly. You got to make sure the AC is working, the fan's working.
Right.
Even like turbo intercoolers, we got to replace those because a lot of cars are turbocharged now.
Yeah, for sure.
So yeah, like it's a lot of the front end work. Like if there's front end damages, we kind of overlap mechanics and auto body.
Right.
Side panels, not so much. Yeah.
So how have modern vehicles blurred the lines between collision repair and diagnostics?
Yeah, that's a big thing right now. I mean, most modern cars, they have so many sensors and computers, right?
Aren't they great?
Yeah, they're
People love them. I get customers that are excited. They pick up, Mike, I got a new car. Check out my new car. And I'm like, that's great.
It's great.
Oh,
How many
it's got
sensors
lane.
this thing
Yeah, it's got self-parking.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, lane assist.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Auto cruise. Self-cruising. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Perfect. Super cruise. Sounds great. Yeah. Until things
till things go south.
go south.
So, like when we're even when we're repairing like body panels, you gotta be careful. We gotta unhook the battery.
Yeah.
You can't weld a panel with the battery hook. You're gonna fry a module,
Ugh.
right? And then you're getting the thousands of dollars. So,
I'm getting a headache just listening
yeah,
to it.
it's not just take apart the car and bang out the dent. You gotta make sure where you're fixing, and what you're doing and what could be affected, right? So, like I said, we'll unhook the batteries. We'll have to unhook airbag sensors, right? Well, and parking sensors and so on, and then when you put them back, right? If you're getting an error code, that's where you got to diagnose.
There's a problem.
There's
yeah.
a problem.
Yeah, there's a problem.
There's a problem.
And at that point, do we call the appraiser and say, "Hey, we've got an issue"? You can't.
Well, you can.
Can you?
You can
Okay.
add for diagnostics
Okay.
because they understand, right?
Okay.